Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a bouncing slime. It's really amazing and big fun to play. Let's get started. We will make bouncing slime and first we need some clear glue. And some food coloring is coming. Pink one. After food coloring, I need borax solution. I need very stiff texture and check it out. More borax solution. Let's try cutting if it's okay or not. Okay, more or less ready. Our slime texture is now okay and seems really lovely. Now let's try bouncing. First part. Excellent. And second part. Yes, awesome. Now I will cut into two small pieces. 1, 2. Seven small pieces. So cute. Yes, our pink bouncing slime seems so lovely. They are so cute and the texture is really nice. It's also super easy to make. If you like my video, please comment down and don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye bye.